Hello everyone, welcome to Audio Learning Academy. We are talking about the pharynx for the practical videos. And what is pharynx? If we asked, pharynx is the part of the respiratory system as well as for the digestive system. So in respiratory system, it is the second part after the nasal cavity, and pharynx is the connection between the nasal cavity and the larynx. Now, when we come to the digestive system, pharynx is the part between the oral cavity and the esophagus. So when we talk about the pharynx, what is the location of the pharynx? It starts from base of the skull and it continues up to the lower part, that is the starting of the esophagus. Now, if we come to the cervical boundaries, it will be starting from the base of the skull and it continues up to C6. That is the C6 is the proximal part of the esophagus. So, when we talk about the pharynx, it has three parts: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. Naso means this is the part behind the nasal cavity. Oro means this is the part behind the oral cavity, and laryngo means this is the part behind the larynx. Now, when we come to the length of the pharynx, it is approximately 11 to 12 centimeter in length, and the width of the upper part is approximately broad compared to the lower part. So, the part of the pharynx, that is the nasopharynx, it has one more small opening that is connecting to the second part of the medial ear. It is called as the Eustachian tube, auditory tube, or it is called as the tympanopharyngeal tube. The upper part of the nasopharynx is broad and this lies from base of the skull to C2. Its main function is the passage of air. Next, the oropharynx lies from C2 to C3. Its main function is transportation of food as well as air. And we have the laryngopharynx, which is separating the food particle and air by the help of epiglottis. This is the part in front of the larynx. So now coming to the boundaries, the superior we have the base of the skull. Inferiorly, it continues as the proximal part of the esophagus. Anteriorly, we have three incomplete opening: nasal opening, oral opening, and laryngeal opening. Posteriorly, we have the six cervical vertebrae ranging base of the skull from C1 to C7. So this is the part of the pharynx we have to say in the exams. If you like the session, please press like and thank you.